Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about recalls for your vehicle and technical service bulletins and the difference. Let's jump right in and talk about recalls first. Most people became really familiar with these during the airbag recall, which we're still working on getting a lot of airbags replaced by the manufacturer, as there was quite a few models, makes, manufacturers involved in that recall. Recalls are typically done and mandated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration or the EPA. And they often revolve around safety issues such as airbag deployments, could be things such as anti-lock brake, ABS wheel failures. The EPA typically does items such as catalytic converters, emissions related. If there's an emissions related problem, they can force a recall also. Besides recalls, we have technical service bulletins. Recalls are paid for by the manufacturer and usually are no charge to the consumer. Technical service bulletins are information about updated components, repair procedures, things like that assist all repair facilities in fixing the vehicle properly. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Automan with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.